Hey guys, we received this Taji Carpenter pencil set for test and try. This comes with a sharpener and is a heavy duty woodworking tools. So it's a two pieces mechanical Carpenter pencils with 26 refills. Let me just open up this. It comes in a really nice box. This hold everything. This is a eraser, refills, and then the woodworking pencils. This is the nib for the marking. So this comes in the black and the red color, as you can see it here. So this can be used for the construction thing or for any marking stuff. So you can see a 2.6 or 2.8 mm the refills here, and then the colored nibbles as well. And you can just take this out to refill, and also in the top, like if you open up this, you can see this. So this is a small sharpener in the case itself. So that I will show you a little later on, and then the pencil. So it's a black and the red color, and you can use the different switches in here. So you see a small sharpener here that I was talking about, and you can also sharpen these leads to use. So they have additional sharpener and the cover here. Uh, so total three, and then you can replace these thing, or you can just sharpen these like this. So refill is also easy, that you can just refill and then yep, just start working on it. So it's a nice set with all the things and tools with the eraser, refills, colored refills, and you can see the color refills things here. Just open the case, and then you have colored refills here as well, and the sharpeners or inbuilt sharpeners with the marking pen and everything. So the writing is smooth, that you can easily do